Today I'm going to show you how to plant chayote, one of my favorite squashes. I love the taste. I even like them plain as boiled with a little bit of salt. That's how I like it because they're so refreshing to eat on a hot day, believe it or not. Even though if they're warm, it's still really refreshing. Chayote is it's a squash that grows in Central America, you know, from Mexico all the way down Central America, South America. And I know that it grows overseas as well. But it requires heat, a lot of heat. And the weather here in Zone 7A is just not conducive to having the fruit, which is this. The vine will grow huge. It's beautiful. I do it every year, but I don't get the fruit. This year I've waited. I waited until the weather got warm at night. It's in the 50s at night now, so hopefully it'll grow fast. I bought them about a month ago and just left them on the counter and let the little root or the little stem grow out of them and let them get really wrinkly like this. So come on, let's plant these in this beautiful dirt that my husband just prepared for me. To plant these, you plant them sideways like this. I'm going to plant one right here and one right here with the little stem up. See? But you need to cover the whole thing and just leave the little stem out. You can leave a little bit of it out, but you need to cover it sideways. The root will grow down and the little stem will grow up. And I'm pushing them a little bit lower so that they can get a little there. That really is all it takes. As long as this is up and you can let it breathe a little bit. As long as this is up. And that's how you plant chayote. It will grow up and attach itself to this trellis right here. This not a cattle panel, but this last year's trellis that we put up here. Hopefully, if it does what I want it to do, give me some chayotes, I might have to ask my husband to put another board over here and just do the same thing that we did here. What we did is just put rebar up to 24 inches and then put these conduit. These are electrical conduit. Attach it on the top. Put another one over here. And so it will have anywhere to spread because it grows really big. And I really am dying to have some chayotes. So thanks for coming with me on this one. And you see me in the next one. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.